This is Big Rye's shower. This is his second one, which conveniently is dripping into the toilet. Yeah, the floor's a little shiny. This is another place that looks like 10 dogs had a piss. Because his light keeps filling with water. That's happening over here. From where smoke alarm and fire sprinkler are going. As we step into the aquarium here, this is his swim-up kitchen. And that's catching water from this. Light's got some dripping, but this is the main attraction right here. This is the waterfall. This is the sprinkler. This is the one that's filling up a trash bucket every few minutes. That one's really nice. It's a nice touch. It's a good addition to the kitchenette area. And then that's his smoke alarm that I use as a frisbee. Oh, good. Another leak. This one's happening over here. I just noticed that one. Move the remotes. Grab a extra pan here. Set that one down. That's Ryan's apartment.